1. Once in your dashboard, let's click on Websites. 2. Select one of your listings websites. You can edit your listing by clicking View Listing. Now let's try our link. Three. Then, copy the URL link. 4. Now, let's click on Email. Emails campaigns can be created based on listings or customized. 5. On your Listings tab, let's select an email you want to work with. 6. Hit Edit. 7. Select an image or text and click on the link icon. 8. Paste your listings website. 9. Hit Update and save changes. 10. Let's click on Preview. 11. Confirm that your link is working. You are all set. Your email campaign is ready to go.